Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can remove any watermark from any video. So let's get on to it. You're going to go to your browser and you're going to type in media.io. So you are going to click on this first link here, and then I need you to make an account here. So after you're done making an account, you are going to scroll down and you're going to type in view all tools. And now under this page, you are going to select video watermark remover. And now you'll be brought to this option here. So I need you to change this option to image video object remover. So you'll be brought to this page here. So we can try a sample of these videos here so that I can show you how it works. So you are just going to select the watermark on the video. You're going to left click, select the watermark rather. So you can see I've selected the watermark. You can adjust the size of the watermark, the size of the brush rather. So you can see I selected this part here. And now you could just simply need to select remove objects now. You can see the process is
underway.
as you can see here, this is our final product, and we can see here that the watermark is successfully removed. Onto this part, you have the option to either download or upload new file, and that is simply how it's done. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.